Hi, my name is Ella Samolova. I'm a judge of lash extension competitions, a trainer, and a practicing lash artist since 2009. On my channel, I will share different techniques and tips on lash lamination and lash extension. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss new videos for your professional growth. Before we go ahead, hit the like button for my efforts and gain new knowledge. Leave your questions in the comment section below. I will answer all of them. I also have a special gift for you. Below the video, you will find a link and detailed information. Did you know that double volume is the most popular technique? I even did a poll on my Instagram for you. My dear lash artists have chosen the double volume as the most in-demand technique. Since you work with this type of extension so often, I decided to show you and talk more about the things that you may not know. I suggest pulling the inner and the outer corners of the upper eyelid. Why? Thanks to the pull of the skin, the eyelashes slightly come off the upper eye patch, and therefore it is much easier to access a hard-to-reach place. They won't stick to the under eye patch, and lastly, natural lashes will spread out, making it much easier to split them. Important tip: crisscross the tape and make sure the client's eyes are closed. This step is not always necessary. Some clients' eyelashes are easy to work with without it. But if you have a client with bulging or half-opened eyes, there is no need for additional skin pulling. It is recommended to lash both eyes at the same time. It will allow us to fill the volume equally and keep it symmetrical. I recommend starting lashing from the inner corner and the outer corner of the eyelids because they are more labor intensive. You will work on the corners while you are fully focused and full of energy, and later you will work on the less intensive middle part of the eyelid. Lashing this way will help you to spend less time on each client. Make sure to try it out. When dipping the fan into the glue, aim for the center. It is not always necessary to change the glue drop every 15 minutes. If the temperature and the humidity in the room are just right for the glue, then each drop can be used longer. In addition, you can use transparent glue such as L-Shine. For volume lashes, transparent glue will make the base of the lash lighter and cleaner. The lash will last just as long. You will need to get used to working with transparent glue, as the glue itself will not be visible. With 2D lashing, you dip the lashes a little deeper than with 3D and on. Now we'll show you different ways to hand make 2D volume fans. Lift 2 lashes off the line using L-shaped tweezers. Make sure that the base of each lash is leveled. Take the lashes with your left index finger and thumb and open them by opening and closing the tweezers a little. The second method. Lift 2 lashes off the line using L-shaped tweezers. Make sure that the base of each lash is leveled. Take the lashes with your left index finger and thumb and use the pointy part of the L-shaped tweezers to manually open the lashes to a needed angle by moving them down the V. The third method. Lift 2 lashes off the line using L-shaped tweezers. Make sure that the base of each lash is leveled. Take the lashes with your left index finger and thumb, grip the base of the L-shaped tweezers, and wiggle tweezers back and forth until you get the angle you want. The fourth method. We'll show you how to make a 2D volume fan right on the lash line. Grip 2 lashes on the lash line with L-shaped tweezers and start wiggling tweezers left to right until you get the angle you want. There are many different ways to make a proper 2D volume fan. We only showed you a few, the most popular ones. What's important when working with volume fans? Whether you hand make fans with your fingers or on the lash line, make sure that the bases of the 2D volume fans are leveled. How to open a volume fan? The geometry or angle of a volume fan usually depends on lash artist's taste, but there is a recommended V shape. Open the fan so that each lash is 2 millimeters apart. That way the lash will look full of volume, light, and elegant. If your client's natural lashes are thin, you can open the fan a little wider so that the final results look more natural. but don't open it too wide. It's easy to overdo and the extensions will look messy. And it won't be apparent the direction of the eyelashes. With fans open too wide, lashes will eventually make the client feel uncomfortable, as they will twist and turn due to the angle. If the fan is too narrow, it may close when applied to the lid. The stem of the fan should be neat. One 2D lash should be on top of the other, and the base should be parallel. If both lashes are on the same level horizontally, they may look heavy, and 2D lashes may stick to one another in the process. With hand-making fans, the base should be from 1/3 to 1/4 of the total 2D fan length. We covered 2D fan hand-making techniques. Now let's answer the frequently asked questions. Which lash thickness should be used for 2D? The answer is a range from 0.05 up to 0.10. The most popular thickness is 0.07. How to make a 2D fan from short lashes. You can use lashes in the length of 8, 7, 6, and 5 mm. The easiest way to create a fan out of short lashes is to hand make it. How to lash, keeping a V shape. Just pull the tape up from the inner corner of the eye a bit more, reapplying an under eye patch if necessary. The corner should be comfortable for you to work with. Then, by applying straight tweezers to the under eye patch, place a 2D fan on top of natural lashes and wait for the glue to set. It's time consuming, but each lash will be done perfectly. Why do 2D fans close? There are many things that keep the fan intact when it sets on the natural lash. The main reasons are there's too much glue or the room conditions are not right for your glue. For example, humidity is too low. In these cases, the glue can take longer to set. If you see that your glue does not set in time, add L-Shine glue activator. Perhaps you let go of the 2D fan too early and the glue didn't set, or the glue you are using is a slow setting one. Then you should consider switching to a fast setting glue such as L-Shine Polar, L-Shine Sun, or L-Shine Elvet. Another reason could be that the fan shape was impaired. The fan will not keep its V shape if the fan is not open enough or if the base is too long. Our last little secret for today. Your lashes will keep their shape and will last longer if you apply the glue on the natural lash before applying the 2D fan for the final set process. Our lashes are ready, so let's check out the final results. Our model is wearing L-Shine 2D extensions in C+ curl and 0.07 thickness. Just look at how amazing these lashes are. The model is beautiful, and so is the lash artist's work. I think this video turned out to be useful and inspiring. Did you learn anything new? Did you find this video useful? Like and subscribe. If you would like to share your own secrets of volume lashing, leave them in the comments below.